Well, hi there pluckers, Iris All Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting guitar lesson for you. This one is a song from Ralph McTell with some wonderful lyrics. This song, it's a song called Naomi. So it's really interesting words on this song. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Ralph McTell, but Ralph McTell normally plays this on a piano. So I've had to transfer the chords from the piano over to the guitar, and obviously the voicings of the chords are somewhat different in places, but it's not too far off the mark, I don't think. Okay, so I'm going to go through the brief intro. There's a very brief intro on the song. I'll do that. A couple of verses and a chorus for you, break it all down, show exactly how I played it, and you'll have the song sorted. Okay, there's another verse or two to follow the chorus which are played exactly the same way. Okay, singing as usual, for reference only. So here we go. Ages made a friend, I'm scared to take her in the house. There's an understanding now, and a peace behind the eyes. The age is for complaining, but you won't hear much from me. Growing old with Naomi. I recall the first time I took her in my arms. The times I wasn't faithful, she said no future in the past. So we don't talk about it, she keeps a gentle edge on me. I don't mind growing old with Naomi. Wasn't all I wanted, but you're all I ever need. A rich man always wants some more. I was rich indeed, a rich man and a poor fool, yet it turned alright for me. How lucky can you get growing old with Naomi? Into another verse, okay? If you don't know the song, well worth digging it out on YouTube and having a listen, okay? Right, so let's break it down. The intro is very, very simple, the way I do it. C, G, F, G, okay? And as you can see, I'm playing a bar chord, mainly just so I get more bass into the chord. You don't have to play a bar chord, just play a straightforward F if you want, simple F. Okay, so C, G, F, G, okay. Right, into the song we go. And it starts off in C, right, so age is made frail is G. I'm scared to F, take her in my G arms. So the first two lines. Age has made her frail, I'm scared to take her in my arms, right? That, and there's alright, and then we go to an A minor, and there's an understanding to G now, to F, peace behind the C, eyes. Okay, so the first few lines are C, H has made G frail, F, I'm scared to take on my G arms, A minor, there's understand G now, F, peace behind C, eyes, and age is for complaining. Right, there's a nice chord for you. B minor 7 flat 5. Okay, first finger, second fret, 5th string, second fret 5th string, the A string of first finger. Then the second finger is playing the second fret of the G string, the third string. Third finger is playing the third fret of the D string, the fourth string, and pinky is playing the third fret of the second string, the B string. Just those four strings, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay? And what I tend to do is rest my thumb on the bottom E string, so just rest it on it so it mutes it, okay? So if I hit it, it doesn't sound, okay? So that's on age is for, and then back to the C chord for complaining. Okay, so from the beginning of the first verse, age has made a frail, I'm scared to take her in my arms. There's a lot standing now, and a peace behind the eyes. The age is for complaining, but you D minor won't hear much from C, me, F, growing G, old with Neo, C, E. Okay, and that's the same for all the verses. Okay, different words obviously, but the same chord sequence. Okay, so let's do the intro and the first verse complete. Okay, here we go. Age has made her thrill, I'm scared to take her in my arms. There's a understanding now, and a peace behind the eyes. An age is for complaining, but you won't hear much from me. Growing old with Naomi. Right, we'll just do the second verse, exactly the same. And I crawled the first time I took her in my arms. The times I wasn't faithful, she said no future in the past. So we don't talk about it, she keeps a gentle edge on me. I don't mind growing old with Naomi. Okay? Got that, right? Same for all the verses, okay? Now we go into this middle bit. We could call it a bridge section, or we could call it chorus, okay? So it goes into, it goes into an F chord, F to G. She wasn't all I wanted. And then an A minor, G to F. But she all I ever need. Quite a quick little rundown from A minor to G to F there, okay? All I ever need. Right, so it comes out of the second verse. I don't mind growing old with Naomi. F, she wasn't. G, all I wanted. Run down. She wasn't all I ever need. Get that? So she wasn't all I wanted, but she's all I ever need. Okay. Oh, a rich man always G. So C. A rich man's always G. Wants some more. And F, and I was rich in, back to G, indeed. Okay, so let's just go through that very slowly for you. F, she wasn't all G wanted, run down on A minor, but you all I ever F need. C, a rich man always G, wants some more F, and I was rich, back to G, E. Now we go to this B minor 7th flat 5 again. A rich man and a C, poor man. Sorry, a rich man and a C, poor fool. D minor, yet it turned out right for C, me. How F lucky can you get? Growing G, old with Naomi. Intro. Back into the next verse. Okay. However, okay. So let's just go through this chorus bridge section again. Okay. So F, she wasn't all that G you wanted. A minor run down. All I ever F need. A C, a rich man, or a G wants more. F, and I was G, me. B minor 7th flat 5. A rich man and a C, poor fool. D minor, did it turn alright? C, me. How F lucky can you get? Going G, oh, my own C, me. Right, so let's do the whole thing together. Right from the beginning. Intro, 2 verses, and the chorus stroke bridge section, okay? And then put the intro on the end as well, ready for the third verse, okay? Here we go. Has made her through. I'm scared to take her in my arms. There's an understanding now and a peace behind the eyes. The age is spoken plainly, you won't hear much from me. Growing old with Naomi. I recall the first time I took her in my arms. At times I wasn't faithful. She said no future in the past, so we don't talk about it. She keeps a gentle edge on me. I don't mind growing old with Naomi. She wasn't all I wanted, but she's all I ever need. Oh, rich man's always wants some more, and I was rich indeed. A rich man and a poor fool, yet it turned alright for me. How lucky can you get growing old with Naomi? And so on. Thanks very much for watching. Hope I helped you with that one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.